In part 3, I'll cover mixed references. Mixed cell references are like a hybrid, a combination of absolute and relative references. Let me show you how. Look at this table. Here I want to calculate the commission for 3 categories. If we want to calculate TRA commission for the TV, we have to use the formula equal to E7 into F4. The dollar signs log the row and column for F4, keeping the commission rate constant for all products. But the row reference for E7 is relative, so it adjusts as we copy the formula. Now apply the same formula for TRB and TRC. And look, we get errors. Click on cell G7 and the formula is equal to F7 into F4. So the cell reference changes to F7, which is not the total amount. In this situation, we'll use mixed referencing. Clear all the formulas except in cell F7. Think about it. When we drag the formula down, we want to log the column E for the total column, but the row numbers can change freely. And when we drag the formula to the right, the column changes from F to H, but the row number remains the same. So, log the row number of cell F4. Select the cell reference of E7 and press F4 on the keyboard thrice. It will log column E. Now select the F4 reference and press F4 to log row 4. Now press enter and use the fill handle tool. It's working perfectly now. If you select any cell reference in the formula and press the F4 key once, the cell reference becomes absolute. Press F4 a second time, it will log the row reference. Pressing F4 for the third time will log the column reference. Pressing it for the fourth time will remove the dollar sign altogether. Time for a quick pop quiz. Imagine you want to calculate the TRC commission for the oven. What would the formula look like? Drop your answer in the comments below. That's it for cell referencing in Excel. Hopefully you have understood this important feature of Excel.